Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video. In today's video I'm working with this 10-inch bob from 𝐅𝐵𝐺 hair. Guys, I love how natural this wig is looking. It is giving this is my hair but permed, you know, like it just looks so good. And the cuts on this bob as well, it is giving. Okay, it's giving. So this is the 10-inch light Yaki bob. So the hair texture is Yaki, and this is the natural edges, and it comes with the natural edges hairline. As you guys can see, the hairline looks extremely natural. It looks like I've literally just had a perm, and you know, this is my hair. It looks really good. And the wig also comes with the invisible HD lace, and honestly guys, I've not glued this wig down. This wig is 100% glueless. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, then make sure you stay tuned. guys, so here's the finished look, and this is what the wig from RPG Hair looks like. This is the 10-inch light Yaki bob, and I really love how natural this wig looks. I love the density of the wig. It's literally giving my hair but permed, if that makes sense. And when it comes to the hairline, it comes with this natural edges hairline, and I just love how natural this looks. I'm going to zoom all the way in now so you guys can see how this looks. This looks amazing, and the fact that this is 100% glueless as well. Like guys, I haven't glued it down. I literally only used my hair mousse to install this wig today, and this is how it looks. It looks so natural, looks really, really good. And the lace that comes with this wig as well is just so seamless, it's really thin. So this is the invisible HD lace. I'm telling you guys, it does look really, really good. I really like the hair texture as well. So I hope you found this video very useful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.